Today we're going to be making these lovely Mod Podge bookmarks. These were made out of vintage dictionary pages. And then you can decorate the top however you want. This I made a bead out of the dictionary page, and then this one it just has a ribbon. So it's totally up to you. Today we're going to do it out of old Cat in the Hat pages. Very easy to do. Makes great gifts. You can just put them right in with a card or a Christmas present, whatever you'd like. So I bought this stack of bookmarks, but you can easily just cut it out of cardstock. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and trace whatever page you want. So I like this right here with the sit, 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 and maybe on the top with the picture of the kid. So go ahead and trace very easily the page that you want. And then I think for the other side I'll do the Cat in the Hat. This way you get exactly what you want. Then what you do is you go ahead and cut out the two shapes that you just cut out, that you just traced. Now this is a Mod Podge I'm using gloss. You could also use the one that comes in matte. Totally up to you. Very easy to work with. So I poured some out. I have my bookmark shape that I'm using. And you're just going to put a generous amount of Mod Podge on one side of the bookmark, like so. I really like these foam brushes when I'm using this, but totally up to you. And then go ahead and put that on. Like so. And then you can do the same to the other side. Make sure I'm doing it in the right direction. And like so. And then you're going to use the Mod Podge on top of the image as well. That just seals everything in. Now I'll have to wait for that to dry to go ahead and do the other side. So I'll just let that dry for probably about a half hour to an hour, and then I'll seal the other side with the Mod Podge. We'll put a hole in and then I'm going to tie this little piece of twine on top. So once your bookmark has completely dried, you're going to go ahead and punch a hole in the top if you're going to add a ribbon. Like so. And then I'm just going to add this little piece of twine. So you go ahead and you fold it in half. You're going to put the loop through. Like so. And then you put these two pieces through that loop. Pull gently. And there you have it. Very fun back to school project.